Yo guys, we're back in Scratch and this is part 3 of RPG adventure game in Scratch 3.0 point I don't know again because I never look at that. So in this part what we're going to do wasn't working. Yes, so what we're going to do in this part is that we're going to get more resources. So this is fruit. Now we're going to create a stone. So let's just go to 3 trunks, right? Duplicate it. Get everything out, duplicate it again, and then take a circle. This has to be equal to 1. This has to be all the way gray. Yeah, no, maybe a lot darker. Yes, that's better. Take the V-shape icon and make it look like a boulder. Don't make it look like a... Yes, no. Yes, this is good. Let's just put this a little higher up. Yeah, that's good. Let's put this all the way down here. A little there. Yeah, that's good. And let's equal to this. Create a new circle. Reshape again. And maybe move the bottom one a little too. Yes, that's good. Let's put this in the front and create another stone. And put this one at the back. Like here. And send it back. So this is our stone. Let's just set it 0. Yes, that's good. So it will appear all the way here. Let's go to code now, and we have all this here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to create new variable, call it stone, enter. Then create a new variable and call it get stone question mark. Yeah. That's not the question mark. Wasn't sure. Yeah. So that is get stone. Now we're gonna switch all these to get stone. So stone, stone, get stone, get stone. Yeah, this is good enough. And let's go to the player hitbox, I guess. And we're going to duplicate. No need to duplicate. We just go to operators and no, maybe or. Duplicate this, put it there, and put this in here, call it, and take all these out. That's good. And let's call this 3. Duplicate this. No, not that. The whole operator. There. So let's try it out now. Yeah, it's stopping in front of the... Why isn't that guy going to 0, 0? 0. Let's try it out. Yeah, that's good. We gotta go to the bottom of that stone. Yeah, the player stops. We're getting some stone there. Yeah, cool. So we've made the stone thing, but we don't have something like the fruits sprite. So let's create one. No, maybe we'll just duplicate this here. Where did the guy go? Yeah, it's here. Hey, no. Set this, put this here, and we name all the costumes to stone. And maybe you can, oh no, the whole thing. Control C, and maybe it will work. Delete and control, yeah, it's working. No, not the whole thing. Hey, what the heck? Wasn't it working? Get out. You're ruining my video. So it's been 5 minutes since I've been making this video. Hey! And this thing is completely troubling me now. Can't believe that there are so more to go with. Maybe what we'll do is we'll just get this all out. So we don't need to type stone so many times. Hey, what the? Wait, what? Yeah. Yeah, there's only a few more to do with. So let's just do that. Backspace all the way. This is quite a boring job. Yeah, maybe what we'll do is maybe we'll delete this and duplicate this. And create a new sprite, type in food, stone, and everything here. Actually, in Scratch 2, there were more fonts, and they were better than this. They were Helvetica, Scratch, and all those. Yeah, they're gone now. So now we'll just delete this. And yeah, it's working. Hey, go to where I told you. You understand that? Let's say flute is equal to, then stone is equal to, and maybe we'll add now if you guys know any other material, then just post it in the comments, and then I'll add them. But for now we'll just keep food and stone. So that's good enough. Let's take this all the way up here. Here. 162, 139. 162, I guess. Oh no, Cassini. Cassini is a satellite. I know that. Hey, so stone, and let's duplicate this and call it, not call it, but stone. 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 Yeah. Where's the zero here? It's got to go up here. Here. Yeah, that's good. So let's try it out. When clicked, yes. So let's go to the stone place. Actually, we're not getting any stone because we have to go all the way there. Yeah, we're getting more stone. And let's get some food. And when F is being pressed, it will decrease. Oh wait, that's fruit. We have to rename it fruit. It has to be called fruit. Yep, now it's working. Yeah, that's good. And we have now you're probably wondering how we will decrease this stone. So let's just go to, make a new sprite, go to sans serif and type in a plus. Now you're probably wondering why I typed in a plus. Well, if you ever played Minecraft, then you will understand. Okay, if you've still not understood my riddle, I don't know if it's a riddle, but so this is for actually building, meaning it's gonna go in front of the player right here. And maybe when you click on that sprite, the stone will decrease by 1 and it will appear here. So let's try it out. Let's say when clicked, and let's go to player, say broadcast new message, and that will be, I think, that's left arrow, broadcast left. Then we'll drag all of you, meaning more of these, over here, and let's call these, that's down, no, that's right arrow, so let's call it right. That's wrong, but leave it. This is down. And no, wait. And this is up. And let's go to this plus sign, and let's get this, when go to 0, 0. Put this here maybe. No. Let's put this guy 2 at 0, 0. Yes. And let's move it a little here. A little more. Yes, this is enough. So this is costume 1. No, maybe this is right. That's blocked again. Duplicate this. Flip horizon. Oh. Yes, this is good enough. Duplicate this. Put it here. Yeah, that's good. And we'll put it all the way here. Yes. So all these are good. And let's type in left. Go to code, and when click go to 0, 0 and switch costume to left, and when click switch costume to which one? Yeah. No, maybe 2. Right. Yeah, so that's good enough. And let's say when I receive down, switch costume to down. And let's say forever go to this play motion, go to play. So it's moving with the player. And I am just in full screen right now. And what we made right now was this. Right. Yeah, it's working. When the player's costume switches to up, the plus also cái. Nó mắc cười lắm mấy